Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
E6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight C6.
Knight C3.
Queen C7.
Bishop A3.
A6.
Queen D8. 2.
Knight F6.
Castle's queenside.
Bishop B4.
F3.
Knight E5.
Knight B3.
B5.
Queen A1.
Rook B8.
Queen G3.
Knight H5.
Queen G5.
G6.
Bishop D8. Store.
F6.
Queen A3.
Bishop E7.
G. Store.
Knight F4.
Knight A2.
Knight captures on E2. Check.
Bishop captures on A2.
Castle's kingside.
King B1.
A5.
F. Store.
Knight C4.
Queen G3.
Bishop B7.
Bishop D8. 3.
A4.
Knight C1.
A3.
B3.
Knight B2.
Rook D8. F1.
Rook B C8.
Knight A2.
Knight captures on D3.
Queen captures on D3.
B4.
Well, C1.
E5.
Bishop A3.
Queen C6.
Knight D3.
Rook F D8.
Well, H D1.
D5.
A captures on D5.
Queen C7.
F captures on A5.
Rook captures on D5.
Queen C4.
Queen captures on E5.
Bishop D4.
Rook captures on C4.
Bishop captures on A5.
Rook captures on G4.
Bishop C7.
H5.
Well, captures on D5.
Bishop captures on D5.
Well, D1.
Bishop C6.
King C1.
F5.
H3.
Rook H4.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.